Hey everyone, this is CS Harshavardhan Gaikwad from HGPA Classes, Pune. Well, the CMA Foundation results have just been declared. So congratulations to all the students across India who have cleared CMA Foundation with flying colors. Now the big question is about your next step, and that is CMA Intermediate. Now there are lots of confusions going on in everyone's mind, whether we should go for the old syllabus or the new syllabus. Well, this confusion would not have been there if your institute would have not extended the deadline, but your institute has extended the deadline for the registration under the old syllabus. Well, it is still active till 10th of August. So if you select your old syllabus, that is 2016, your attempt for any of the group will be due in this year itself, that is December 22. But if you wait till 10th of August, if you have decided that no boss, I want to go to the new syllabus, that is 2022 syllabus, so your first attempt will be in the month of June 23. Now there's a big confusion, so wait for it. There's a new video coming up on the HGPA YouTube channel. It will be dropping tomorrow. Okay, in that everything will be explained, whether you should go for this or not go for this. Okay, so wait, you still have time, so be patient. And also once more, congratulations, because you have cleared a very big step in your CMA career. Okay, thank you so much. And by the way, one more thing, there are demo lectures tomorrow. Remember one thing, there's not a big difference in the old and new syllabus. There are few subjects which are here and there, but remember one thing, the main crux, the main base, accounting, law, costing, remains as it is. The only big change was that the taxation part, which was there in both of your groups, it was DT 100 marks, IDT 100 marks, they've clubbed it in one. Ghum fir ke subjects are the same. Okay, the only thing is there's a new subject which is coming in, that is the BDA, Business Data Analytics. That is there. I would tell you in the next video which is dropping on the YouTube channel. But remember one thing, the demo lectures are starting tomorrow on HGPA YouTube channel, specifically for CMA Intermediate. Okay, so don't miss this, and please spread this video in all your CMA friends. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day, and you have deserved this. Thank you so much.